Hey beautiful people, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Shubhangi. So as I said in my previous video, to comment me down below what kind of makeup look or makeup hack or anything related to makeup would you like to see in my next video. Also let me know in the comment box below what kind of makeup look or makeup hack or anything related to makeup would you like to see in my next video. So I got this comment right here. It made me think that I haven't done a halo eye yet. So today I brought you this beautiful smoky halo eye look. So stick with me till the end. And yeah, also let me know in the comment box below what kind of makeup look or makeup hack or anything related to makeup would you like to see in my next video. So let's get started! To prime my face, today I'm gonna use this Color Bar Cosmetics Flawless Finish Primer. Next for foundation, I'm gonna use this Maybelline New York Fit Me Foundation in the shade 330 Toffee. Use this Lakme Absolute White Intense Stick Concealer in the shade 03 Medium. But this time I'm gonna use this concealer only under my eyes. I'll be doing the rest of the face later. This Mars HD Ultra Fine Matte Translucent Powder to bake my concealer. First of all, I'm gonna brush my brows with this spoolie. To fill in my brows, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Eyebrow Pomade in the shade Brunette. Now I'm gonna define my brows with this Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in the shade 04 Medium Beige. So I have already done the makeup on my left eye. And now I'm gonna do my right eye, and I've already primed my eye using the same Swiss Beauty concealer. First I'm taking a small amount of this shade called Rose Tin in a fluffy blending brush from the London Girl Sound of Music eyeshadow palette, focusing it right into my crease and blending it upwards using soft circular motions. Next I'm taking this brown shade from the Wet n Wild Color Icon My Glamour Squad eyeshadow palette in the same fluffy blending brush and using it to create more depth and definition to the crease. And I'm also blending it upwards using soft circular motions. taking this black shade in an angular blending brush and focusing it right into my outer corner and my inner corner, leaving my lid blank. Next, I'm mixing these two colors to blend out all the harsh lines of the black color. Now I'm cutting the crease using the same Swiss Beauty concealer and a flat brush. Basically, you need to cut the crease in a mushroom-like shape. Now I'm blending the edges with my finger. Now I'm setting the concealer with Lakme Radiance Compact in the shade Natural Marble so that it won't crease at any cost. Taking some more black to make the sides look perfect. Taking this brown shade in a fluffy flat brush and blending it with the black shade halfway towards the lid. In the same fluffy flat brush, I'm taking this brown shade and blending it with the black shade to create a smooth transition towards the lid. But this time, I'm just focusing it on the edges. Now I'm taking this beautiful golden shimmer in a pencil brush and putting it right on my lid. You can leave the lid blank because it's already looking so beautiful, but I felt like adding a little glam to my eye look. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm taking this black shade in the same fluffy flat brush and putting it right on my lower lash line. Next, I'm taking this brown shade in the same fluffy flat brush and smoking out the black shade. Now I'm taking this shade in the fluffy blending brush and diffusing out the harsh lines. Lastly, I'm taking this shimmer in the pencil brush and highlighting my inner corner and brow bone, and I'm also placing it on my lid over the golden shimmer to pop out the color even more. Now I'm gonna use this MAC black eye pencil in my waterline. I'm also gonna apply this kajal very lightly as an eyeliner. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes. Now I'm gonna apply this Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Mascara. extra powder from my face using this powder brush. It's done. I've taken this Oriflame Jordani Gold Bronzing Pearls in the shade Dark Bronze to bronze my face. Now I'm gonna use the same Lakme Stick Concealer to brighten up my face, and I'm gonna apply it on my nose bridge, forehead, chin and on my upper lip. Using the same Mars translucent powder, I'm setting my concealer. Now I'm gonna use this Miss Rose Blush Glow Kit number 02. I'm gonna pick these two shades. Once again, let's get rid of all the extra powder. Now I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty Brick Highlighter number 02. So I've already lined my lips, and now I'm gonna fill in my lips using this Beauty People lipstick in the shade 203. Now I'm gonna fix my full face makeup using this Swiss Beauty Natural Makeup Fixer. And lastly, I've finished the look with some falsies to beautify this look even more. hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Tuesday, so hit the ding ding bell icon so that you never miss an update. Make sure to follow me and my sister on Instagram and do like my Facebook page. Links are in the description box. See you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care and don't forget that you are beautiful. Love you all. Bye bye.